Welcome! My name is Lily, and this video will give you a little sneak peek what the CRM 2.0 will look like. The new CRM starts to take the shape, but the things we showed you today are just for a draft for now. Detailed things like buttons, fonts, colors, they might still change while we are thinking and trying to find the best possible user interface for our beloved customers. Like before, the overall look of CRM will be customizable for the customer, so the logos and colors will be like the company's brand, so the user will feel like they're using their own system when logging in. We will start with the login page. As you may notice, not so many things have changed here. The login page is still simple and clear, so it can be used with any device you're going to use the CRM with, like mobile, tablets, or laptop. Now we are in the home page of CRM 2.0, and you may have noticed that we have changed the top menu bar here on the left side. Some of the menu items are still in the upper corner, but most of them are here on the left. The reason for them to be on the left side is that it's now more scalable and it will not take any space when you're clicking the menu open. One of the main goals of CRM 2.0 is that it's going to be accessible from any device you're going to use it from anywhere you are with any time you want to. Some of the most often used elements are still on the top corner of the CRM, like search bar and access for your own profile. There is also possibility to see all the notifications that you have in the CRM in the top corner, and also a new feature, a little library for all the links that will take you to other websites, portals, apps, and so on. Let's focus on the homepage elements we have here on the CRM 2.0. Very fantastic news for our CRM users is that the homepage graphic things can be now scaled. One of the scale things can be that one of the graphs is bigger than another ones, and this can be always customizable by the user using the elements. Okay, for example, you're very interested about the invoice graph, so it can be bigger than the other ones. Or reporting about the working hours is more important to you than the visual graphs. It can be bigger than the other ones. Some of the graphical elements we have here can be already used in the old version of the CRM that you're currently using, so you can get yourself familiar with those ones, and you can see that there is some remodeling of the calendar that we're going to do, and also about the work hours. Let's move on from the home page to the account card, but first we're going to stop on the account list view. Like before, the filters can be used with the list views, and you can bring up all the needed fields that you need at the first glance when looking at the list. By clicking the right row, you get to the account card. We are now looking for an example of an account card. All the fields that you are used to use in CRM are also in the CRM 2.0, like text, pick list, date, or so on. The accounts relations for other modules are here as more information tabs. They can be divided for certain modules like sales, activities, communication, or how do you like to call them. You may have noticed one big change here on the account card, and that is the discussion field. We have made some design changes for the discussion field, and it's now more chat feeling, and it has better collaboration functionalities to work together with your team members. On the right side, there's space for model tools. Model tools can be quick action functionality tools to give access, for example, activities, create an invoice, and so on. And there is also space for exporting PDFs and so on. When using the CRM 2.0 with your mobile device, the menu will be hidden, so you will have more space to work on. But you will always have the access for the menu from the 3 dots in the top corner. This is where we are now with the CRM 2.0, and we will continue our development with the fast pace. Our schedule is to publish the first beta version for our users in December.
We at CRM-service understand your needs. Our mission is the same as yours: to move forward.